Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Qashqai rugs. Now, Qashqai rugs are woven from Qashqai tribes that are located within the southwest part of Iran, near the Shiraz region. And what you'll notice is a lot of unique geometric patterns going on within Qashqai rugs, along with medallions, certain diamonds as well, and sometimes you may even see some animals incorporated in the design. Another thing to notice about Qashqai rugs is the fact that they like to use multiple borders, so you'll see a lot of borders going on throughout the edge of the rug. Now here's another unique Qashqai rug here, and as I mentioned before, you'll see some animals like the elephants and the man riding the elephant here, some donkeys, and then again the diamonds going on in the center with an ornate border going around the edge. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.